Have you ever found it difficult to manage paying your annual expenses like annual school fee of your kid, or paying yearly insurance premium, managing money for a yearly family trip, paying your health insurance premium, or replacing the mobile? It's because we wait till the due date and then try to arrange the funds at the last moment. How about breaking these expenses down into monthly amounts and keep investing the same? But the question is, where and how? Can't invest in equity mutual funds SIP for such short-term goals, as the markets could be volatile in short term. The solution is start an SIP in debt mutual funds. Debt mutual funds invests in fixed income securities. Say your annual life insurance premium is Rs 60,000. Then start an SIP of Rs 5,000 in debt fund. At the end of 1 year, you can withdraw Rs 60,000 and pay the premium. If you choose to pay a premium in monthly mode, insurance companies will charge interest, while with debt SIP, you can earn profit. Same way, if your kid's annual school fees is Rs 1,20,000, then start Rs 10,000 SIP in debt fund. You can do so for all your annual recurring expenses. This will not only ensure convenience, but also ensure the availability of funds when it is needed, and you will be able to earn the profit as well. Call us now to know the suitable products for your investment and saving needs. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.